You are most welcome to Birds World. We are in Jurong Bird Park in Singapore. This is great family day out. Today we will see one more amazing bird, pelican. There are many pelicans, but this is American white pelican. Speciality of these birds are they have throat punch to catch fish. They drive in cooperative group. Pelican are found in coastline or near lake or river. Now this is 2 p.m. We are at Pelican Coast to watch the famous program Pelican's Chit-Chat. Great fun to watch the interaction of the pelicans. Hats off to speaker for doing the great job. She is very informative.
And finally, all the way from South America, let's welcome our beautiful macaws from up there and there. Now there you have it, everyone, our grand finale of birds. A round of applause for them. With that, we have come to the end of the show. Now, if you would like to take pictures with our birds, please stay, as we will be bringing out our photography flamingos in a very short while. In the meantime, you are more than welcome to come down, take pictures of the birds we have on stage while we usher them back home. If you would like to bring home a fond memory of the show, my colleague up there has plush toys going at a special price only here at the Amphitheater, so do check them out later. On behalf of our sponsor, the Singapore Birds Holdings Foundation, continue to have a great day right here in the bird park. And remember to take a look around and bring all your belongings with you when you leave. Thank you and bye-bye.